How to change home address on Maps iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your device. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Now, tap on your contact card at the top. Here, you can view and edit your contact information. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Scroll down to the address section to view your address. If you want to remove this address, then tap on the red minus sign beside Home. Or if you want to add another address instead, then tap on Add Address below. After adding, tap on Work and change it to Home as shown. After that, tap on Done at the top. Following these steps, you can easily change home address on Maps iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.